Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. Right guys, today's video we're going to start off actually by looking at the modulus of an argument here of a complex number. Okay, so the last video we looked at how to solve a complex number and also obviously the operations involving complex numbers. Okay, in today's lesson we will be looking at modulus and argument of complex numbers. So I'll be looking at like one detailed example and talking you through it. Okay, right guys, obviously before we start here, if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name's Abdallah actually, and I'm a private maths tutor and a qualified teacher for maths. Okay, I make maths videos for key stage 2, 3, 4, 5 and also university level maths as well. Okay, right guys, this video it is aimed at like further maths like AS and A2 maths and also like obviously like undergraduate degree level maths. Okay, right guys, okay, so a modulus here and argument of a complex number. So modulus, guys, just means the amount. So find the modulus of z is equal to 4 plus 3i. So z is a complex number because we have an i. So 4 is the real part, 3 is the imaginary. Okay. So remember that, so 4 is the real, 3 is the imaginary. Okay, so modulus here, right, so 3i means that it's going to be 3 across and then 4 up, actually. It shouldn't say J, sorry. It should say real, sorry, not J. I made a mistake there. So, apologies, actually. So, let me just rectify that. Okay, so it should actually say like, real, Z, and then it should say, like, real Z there. Okay, and then it should be, plus or minus I on both sides. Right, guys, okay, so join this actually. So 4 plus 3i so it'll be 3i so it's going to be 3 across and then 4 up. Okay, so 3i, it'll be 3 across and then 4 up here. So it's always the imaginary part first and then the real. I think I might have made a mistake there, actually, because it might be like real then imaginary. Actually, I do apologize. But as long as, but for the purpose, actually, if you just stick with like what I've done, actually, so it might actually be real, actually, and then imaginary, actually. So I might actually put it all the way around. But it doesn't matter because in this case, like I'm still like consistent like with my like axes. Okay. Right, so modulus actually just means, right, so it's just, the length of that line there. So it's that blue line there, it's just the length of that line there. Okay, so that line there, obviously, it is Pythagoras, okay, because we have like a right angle triangle, okay, that angle there is 90, so it's going to be square root of a squared plus b squared, to work out z, okay, so that's how, to work out z actually, so 4 squared is going to be 16 plus 9 is going to be 25, okay, square root of that is going to be 5. So the modulus of z is equal to 5. That's the amount. So the modulus is just the amount. Okay? Right, guys, argument of z. So it's the angle between, it should be I and real, actually, sorry. It should be I and real there. Okay, not j. Okay, let me just rectify that. Okay? So it should be like real of that. Right, guys, okay, so angle just means, that I'm working out the angle between the real and the imaginary. Okay, so it's that angle there. Okay, so that angle there is calculated by doing, so it's SOH CAH TOA, isn't it, actually, because it's right angle triangle. So we're looking at trigonometry for the purpose of, obviously, of this video, actually, So it's going to be opposite and adjacent, so it'll be tan. Okay, tan theta equals opposite over adjacent, 4 over 3. To work out theta is going to be tan inverse, or arc tan, 4 over 3. Okay, and we get 53.4. Okay, so that would be my angle there. Okay, and then that's how I'd work out here the argument of my angle. Okay, so a little summary, guys. Z is equal to a plus bi, so the modulus of z actually is the square root of a squared plus b squared, and the argument of z here is usually tan inverse of a of b. That is not always the case here, but that's like a little rule, actually, okay, for that. Okay, So I hope that was actually clear, guys. Okay, apologies actually for like any mistakes that I made actually. Okay, but that's how we work out a modulus and an argument of a complex number. Okay, right, guys. Thank you for watching. Actually, yeah. Please do obviously subscribe if you're new. Drop the video a like. Enable notifications. Okay, and yeah, and thank you for watching actually, yeah, and I hope everyone's doing well actually and staying safe. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Okay, happy Thursday now. Okay, bye now.